Nice, nice. No way! Feel like I haven't driven this car in weeks, because I haven't. Whoa. Even feels different, what the heck? Airport parking's always cooked. Under 100, please. 96, I did ask for it. What a great feeling. We're back. It's hot as hell everywhere else in the country. It feels nice in LA though, I'll tell you what. Oh my fuck. Psychic, $20. It's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal.
What do you think they would say?
Probably good things. We are buying into the hype, by the way. We're going to the only Swatch store in SoCal with this whole little Audemars Piguet collab. The chances of it being there are 0. You can't even call them. Like, it's their little policy. They don't let you know how many they have or if they have any in stock. But it's all right. There's food around there, you know. Get my glasses tight. It's okay. A little errand day. Jaywalker. Damn, there's not a cloud in the sky today, dude. This is nice. It is 2 o'clock. Hey, there's no traffic. At least there says there's no traffic. We'll see. We'll see. It said 2 cars each. You guys saw the sign. one thing I hate about this car. There's an AC button, but you have to go into the menu to turn on the AC. It makes no sense. No sense. So silly.
I don't think that's right. Something has to be messed up or something, yeah?
Nah, dude. See, you press it, it just brings up the menu.
Why would
And then you have to click that, and then click that, and then scroll down 4 for
No way.
AC.
It's supposed to just turn on.
That's what I'm saying. You could go, it was at 60 degrees and it wasn't even cold. I was like, how does that make sense?
What?
I think it should be automatic, right? If it's like under 70, I think you should automatically turn on the AC. Now it's cold, it's feeling good, it's feeling good.
What if you hit that button instead of the button?
Which one?
The fan one.
It just changes the direction of where the thing is. Oh, that's just on and or the going up and down.
Dang, that is crazy. I almost like don't believe it. It's crazy.
Silly, man. It's silly. At least it's a physical button. I hate when it's all a screen and you just have to like click 6 buttons. Bring back physicals. Oh. Hey, sorry, Mr. Tesla. What is that? Is that a Range Rover? That is disgusting. That thing looks disgusting, dude. The park, the nice park. It's looking very Californian right now. We're in California.
What do you think that place is? Some apartments.
The Villas. GT3. Wowzers. Wowzers. And there's this guy ruining all the fun. Of course. Guy thinks he belongs. Florida plates, OMGT3. Probably thinks I'm following him and being a weird little BMW driver, but hey, we're going to the same place. Is this the new Macan? This looks gross too. Bro, what are SUV designers doing, man? Oh, this thing is disgusting, bro. Nah, that's messed up, bro. What happened these days? Damn, it's like the brightest blue Corvette I've ever seen. That is not a stock color. Huh. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Next to the G-Wagon? Nah, I'm feeling safe, bro. They better break into his first. Yes. Right next to the security, yeah! I've never seen this shape before on the back of it. Looks like you can put something in there. This is pretty cool. Usually it's a little wheel. We're just judging cars in the parking lot. What the fuck are these door handles? Rivian? Come on. Ooh, look at this color. What do we got in the valet? There's that GT3 we saw. This crazy chalk gray Cullinan. Matte wrapped orange little Urus. This is crazy. Wow, that's how it should be. Oh. Hey.